Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X7 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of all previously visited websites. So if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if you'd like to remove all of them because, for example, you've got a lot of visited websites, just tap on clear browsing data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got the browsing history, cookies and site data, and cache images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. So if you are ready, just tap on clear data. And here we just go back to the history, which is currently empty. And it simply means that we just successfully reset all the data. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Honor X7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.